Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss some of the best side hustles you can start to build a passive income. Are you ready to learn some exciting ways to make money while you sleep? Let's get started. Side Hustle 1. Rental Property Investment. Investing in rental properties can be a fantastic way to generate passive income. By purchasing properties and renting them out, you can earn a consistent monthly cash flow. The key is to choose the right location and conduct thorough research to ensure a profitable investment. Side Hustle 2. Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn passive income. You can partner with companies and promote their products or services through your unique affiliate links. Whenever someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. It's all about finding the right products and reaching out to your target audience. Side Hustle 3. Online Course Creation. Have a passion or expertise in a particular field? Why not create an online course? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to share your knowledge and earn passive income through course sales. Once you've created the course, it can continue to generate revenue without much additional effort. Side Hustle 4. Dividend Investing. Dividend investing involves purchasing stocks from companies that distribute regular dividends to their shareholders. By investing in reliable dividend-paying companies, you can earn passive income in the form of dividend payments. It's a long-term strategy that can provide a steady stream of income over time. Side Hustle 5. Print-on-demand merchandise. Print-on-demand allows you to create and sell customized merchandise without the need for inventory. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble handle the printing, packaging, and shipping for you. All you have to do is create unique designs and market them to potential customers. With the right designs and effective marketing, this side hustle can be a passive income generator. And there you have it, our top 5 side hustles to build a passive income. Remember, passive income requires initial effort and ongoing management, but once set up, it can provide financial freedom and flexibility. Which side hustle will you start with? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, happy hustling!